A lot of you would be 30, 31, still not be having any job, still feeling unemployed, not making money. And if you are making, you'll be making not decent amount, very small amount. There are a lot of comparison around you. You'll be comparing with your friends, family members, people will be taunting that when will you get successful? When will you make money? Look look around, all your friends, all your cousins are making good money. And look at you, still single, unemployed, not making any money. I can easily relate to it. There was a time I used to be an English teacher. I used to teach English to students. I taught English for 5 to 10 years, but couldn't make a lot of money. I don't know what was the reason behind that. Maybe I was not good at marketing. I was good at teaching, but I was not good at marketing. After teaching, I just got into digital marketing. There, it was the beginning of digital marketing, after the COVID. I got a job, but it wasn't so decent. I was just making like 15 to 20,000 rupees. I got a job from USA, and that was a virtual assistant job working as a SEO guy, making decent amount. From middle class family, middle class people like us, who's the maximum salary is 30, 40,000 rupees, and suddenly that person starts making 60, 80,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees a month. It's just a dream come true moment for us. I started making that amount. I made that amount for 5 months, 6 months. I took another job in foreign countries. But, while I was just working there, the environment was so toxic. Even if it's your weekend or holidays, your phone used to ping a lot. Why this work didn't complete? Why that work is not completed? Who is responsible for that? There were a lot of yelling, scolding was going on. That made me realize at point, like, I think this job is not for me. But I didn't know what I can start apart from this job, since I didn't know what to do. I got into some other stuff. Some friend told me that why don't you start a pizza business? I got into that, purchased this stuff since I had money for that, right? But every business has some consequences. I got into the business but couldn't sell much. And I got loss of 2 lakh rupees. It was very disappointing. Again, I had to get into the job after closing everything. But job was not very secure. Like in India, we say that you should go and take a government job that is very secure. But since I was a private employee working for some other countries, being in India, it was all remote jobs. But there was somewhere in my heart, I was not satisfied. Like I didn't want to do that job, that getting up at 9 o'clock or working until night. It was so hectic for me, so torturous. I was making decent amount, but I didn't want to continue that. Then one day I quit. All of a sudden, like there was no thought in mind. I just went there. I emailed like I cannot continue. Like I'm leaving. Like I'm just going to quit the job. That moment I didn't know what to do. I was like, what should I do? But I had this channel. I just wanted to run. I started making video, but none of videos were hyping or getting good views. Yeah, just like hardly 1,000 or 2,000 views. I had heard a lot of stories about YouTube that if you start making continuous video, you'll be making good amount from here. But that is not true. I have gone through it. I have given my heart and soul to it. I have spent 2 to 3 months working on it, but nothing has happened. I haven't got a single penny from here. And like, yes, I was got paid. Of course, my channel is monetized, but it was always after 2 months or 3 months. As you know, when you complete your $100 on YouTube, then you are paid, right? So the completion of $100 take around 1 month, and that money is not enough and that is not worth working. I left everything, every job. Then I didn't feel like working on YouTube since it was not paying good money, and there were a lot of expectation from family members, friends. There were always comparison. People started buying their house, they started buying their cars, everything, and I was again at the same place. I couldn't do much in life. I again started something. I actually didn't want to do job since beginning. Like, I wanted to do something else. I didn't want boss to sit on my head and keep yelling at me and giving me orders like, do that, why are you late? I didn't want that from the beginning. I got into online selling businesses. I started that, but I couldn't sell much. I was selling, I was getting the sales, but it was not decent. I mean, I can't say that I'm set in my life, I'm making good amount. It was not like that. I mean, there was something I was not successful in. I just wanted a grand success, but that success is still I'm looking for. I'm looking for that success. Nowadays, I am working on YouTube. At the same time, I'm just working on online business, but still I have not made it yet. I have not arrived home. I am not making good money yet. I know you might be facing the same situation, you'd be having the same thing in life, and you won't be making a lot of money and be figuring out like what to do. All time this thought running in mind, like, what next? How long will it go? My friend, I have learned from the situation that nobody is going to help you. It's you who is going to help yourself. Do what you want to do. Give yourself some time. This is your life. People will keep commenting on you. Your relatives, your family members, your friend, everybody says something or the other. They mean like they will demean you, demotivate you. But do what you want to do, because this is damn your life, man, and this is your responsibility, right? You have to become what you want to become. Give yourself 6 months, 1 year, that I'm giving to myself. Like, I can't say I have done that. Still, I'm giving myself time. Why? Because I know I can do that. I'm not demotivated. I'll try my best, and the day will come when I will not think about the boss. I won't think about the salary. Everything will be all right one day. But that takes time. That will take around 6 months, 1 year, maybe more than 1 year. But if I am very persistent and consistent on it, I will definitely make it. I'll make people proud one day. You will also make people proud one day. So don't distract yourself. Don't feel small. Keep working on your dreams every day. I know every morning is not good. You wake up with something, but that night, that horror night, that full of thoughts, you're not able to think of something else. Just thinking about the thoughts, you're so confused, so depressed. But that will keep happening if you don't take the right action, the right decision. From today onwards, I want you, or even me, to work consistently on things, or whatever life you have prepared for yourself, whatever life you dream of. Achieve it. Achieve it no matter what. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.